Welcome to Commons Studios. This is a shared living experience just steps from Restaurant Row. The apartments in this building are studio efficiencies, which means you have your own private room and bathroom, and there's a communal lounge and a communal kitchen for the tenants to share. We're here today to see apartment R. Let's head on in. This is an example of an unfurnished apartment. You supply all your own furniture, and we provide a microwave and a mini refrigerator. This apartment has 2 large closets, which provide plenty of storage space. On into the bathroom. The bathroom was renovated just a couple of years ago. There's a vanity with multiple cabinets and a medicine cabinet on each side of the sink, as well as a shower and bathtub combo. This apartment has 2 skylights instead of wall windows. Get lots of light, and there is a tool provided to close the windows and to pull the shades. Finally, every apartment has an intercom, so you can buzz your friends in. Rent for Commons Studios apartments includes heat, water, trash and recycling fees, and electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons Studios R. Call us today for availability.